Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. For your general energies, Taurus, we have 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 4 of Cups in reverse, and 9 of Wands. So, in your circumstances, guys, Taurus, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in your relationship, maybe you are, seeing some delays or suspensions in your work. You are working hard, putting lot of efforts, doing your best, Taurus. But in your circumstances, you are seeing some obstacles and difficulties. Things are not going as expected. And maybe the people you work with, they are not like you, maybe. They are not responsible enough like you, or the way they do their work or the way they handle any circumstance is something leading to more difficulties or more anxieties in your work. So, some problems in your situation, guys, it may not be your making, it may be your circumstance. So, you are unable to change the way things are. So, your expectations are not met, and maybe you trusted certain things, you trusted certain outcome or certain results in your work situation, you expected certain things, but what is coming towards you maybe something you never expected, and you feel that your faith or trust has been broken. So some kind of sadness or a broken trust, and you feel really lost and in a lot of stress because of the way things are going in your circumstances, guys, Taurus. And in this relationship, maybe, guys, you may see a lot of confusion or doubts, but things are going to change. Maybe with these cards, I see that you were in a difficult situation with your partner, maybe some arguments or some fights, and you are not speaking or they are not speaking to you, maybe some kind of a break. If that is the case, your circumstances are going to resolve very soon, guys. You are going to see a new change, a freshness coming in this relationship. Maybe that may be with that understanding that you both love each other, and relationship is a constant work, guys. You need to work on it on a daily basis. Maybe you need to adjust to that person, and even they need to adjust to you. So that is what I see, guys. But maybe for some of you, if you are in a separation and if you are expecting a new relationship, you are finding someone new coming towards you, some interesting relationship, guys, Taurus. So we picked one card for your relationship, and it is High Priestess in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in this relationship, in your connection, maybe you are going to feel more passionate, you are going to experience that deep connection, intimacy, and a harmonious relationship with this person, guys. So things are falling into place in your relationship, Taurus, I feel. And even in your career situation, Maybe whatever difficulties you were facing till now, you will see huge changes, some positive offers, some new opportunities may come your way. Though you feel that you are in a difficult circumstance, maybe because of someone in your situation, maybe someone was the reason for this financial loss or some obstacles you are facing in your circumstances, work circumstances, but you are going to see positive changes for you guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Don the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are devoted, dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded, no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe um, and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.